quite like this. It's in the size 16, but I just find it a little bit, tiny bit difficult to wear it. But apart from that, I'm quite loving it. So if you're like me, that you're a bit busty, then I don't know how you're going to work with the back. But apart from the back so far, I'm quite loving it. You can pair it with any accessory of your choice. But right now, and this trouser right here is from Motorrock. It's a sequin, trouser that I actually got from Motorrock for about a few months back. So I'm not quite sure if they still have it in stock. But this is what the top looks like on me. As you can tell, it fits really nicely in my opinion. But if you're quite busty, then I don't know what or how you are going to do the back, because right now I'm wearing my bra and a black body shape thingy from Primark. So anyway, this is what it looks like on me. What do you guys think? Really, I really quite like the way it looks right now, but I don't know what you guys think. Match this trouser really well. I'll dress it up and take a picture to show you guys on Instagram. But right now I'm just showing you guys what the clothes look like on me. My first time doing a try on haul. I don't know how it works, but well, I'm just going to wear them. Everything I got from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm just going to share it with you guys, and you guys tell me what you think about them. I don't know if I'll be getting this at its original price, but for the sales price, I really don't mind at all. So this is what it looks like on me, guys. Yeah. So this is the next item on the list. I'm quite surprised that I fit in into size 14. This is actually size 14. And this is what the tummy area looks like. I hope you guys can see that. So this trouser is size 14. I really quite like this a lot. It fits me so perfectly. And I'm actually wearing size 14 as opposed to size 16. I was not quite sure because they said size 16 was out of stock, but I said I would go ahead and risk this size 14, and I'm quite surprised that it sized me actually. So yeah. And it's £6. It's £6. So if you're looking to get this, go ahead and do that, because I'm loving it so far. I love the way it fits me really nicely, and it's quite stretchy as well. So if you can't find your right size, like size 16, I normally wear size 16, but if you can't find size 16, you can go ahead and pick up size 14 because they're quite stretchy. So I think you don't want to miss the deal, then yes, you can go ahead and get this one in size 14 in case you can't find your size. I'm wearing the Primark shapewear in the size 14 as well, so I'm wearing both items size 14. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, this is what the leggings looks like, as you can tell. So that's what it looks like. That's the leggings, and it's £6. I like it. I really quite like it. If you're looking at me from outside right now, you'd actually think I'm wearing leather, but it's not a leather material. It's just like a stretchy, glossy kind of material, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's £6, so not too bad. So this is the next item on the list. The same tights from earlier. So this is what it looks like on me. It's in the I chose the size 16 as well, but this is what the back looks like. I like the details at the front of it right there. It's quite a bit revealing, but not too much, which I really quite like. And I also like the fact that it's not too long or too short. It's just the right, length in my opinion. Let's try and tuck it in and see what we get. But it's actually £16 on sale. I don't know if I should tuck it in or wear it like normal, but in my opinion, I think tucking it in would be nice compared to wearing it like the way it was, because yeah. But if you have big tummy like me, I'm not sure about tucking in your shirt. It looks somehow fun. But if you have a good girdle, then it's going to work really quite nice tucking it in with these leggings, of course. But lately I've been enjoying turtleneck kind of top or dress because I think they suit me more. I'm not quite sure, but like, yeah, see. So this is what it looks like, guys. Tell me, what do you guys think? Would you tuck it in or tuck it out, or you'd pair it with the jeans, or you pair it with the leggings? But apart from that, I'm quite loving it. I love the color and the pattern of the top. It's so nice and cheeky, and I quite like the fit as well. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, so yeah, you still have room to go about it with this one should have been 14, because this 16 looks a little bit, just tiny little bit bigger than, you know, me. But well, because I wear size 16, so why not? I quite like it. It looks so much like jumpsuits, you know, wearing it like this. But you can pair it with a black jeans, a black trouser, or you know, anything that rocks your boat freely. So let's bring it out and let's see what it looks like. If I wear it like this, it's also nice and it's not, you know, showing my tummy or anything. In case you're the type that you don't want anything, you know, emphasizing on your tummy, then it's good to wear it. So this is the next item on the list. I'm still wearing the leggings obviously, so you know very well that you can pair the leggings with any outfit. So far so good. I've been enjoying wearing the leggings and it's, you know, £6. And it goes well with most of the things that I've been wearing since, which I really quite like. Look at that, guys. Okay, it's very lightweight, especially for summer. So if you're looking for something very lightweight that, you know, you can wear just when the weather is a little bit chilly, because it's really lightweight, guys. It's like, how do I explain it? It's so lightweight. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm just going to try to show you guys. Look at that. So look at that. What you see is what you get. Like, it's really lightweight. So that's the only way I can explain that. Yeah, it's very lightweight. So yeah, I quite like the color really, but I wasn't expecting it to be this much light. It's so lightweight. But the only thing I like about it is the fact that if you're wearing something warm, then I'm very sure you wouldn't have any problem with this. Spring stroke summer weather that is not too cold. So yeah, you definitely need to be wearing something warm. But apart from that, I quite like this style. It looks really expensive, but it's, you know, £8. Very lightweight. Is, you know, not winter friendly. So unless you're wearing something really, you know, warm. But apart from that, you can just wear this during the spring when it's windy and you just needed something, you know, very simple to wear to just, you know, keep you here and there. So yeah, that's what it is. If you're expecting that jacket to keep you warm, this is not it. This is just a fashionable jacket, not a proper, you know, jacket that'll keep you warm in winter time. So yeah, so this is the next item in the box, and it's actually £6.40. I'm also pairing it with the leggings that I showed you guys earlier. So this is what it looks like on me. I quite like this a lot because it looks very simple and yet quite cheeky. I love the off-shoulder feel to it, and I'm quite loving the fact that it's, you know, very smooth on me. Maybe it's just me, maybe not, but yeah, if you're the type that don't really mind your tummy showing, because you definitely have to pin this at the bottom, then this is definitely nice for the price. I'm not mad at all. Like, for the price, I quite like it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's a nice blue top, like, and bear in mind that you can pair this with jeans as well. You can pair it with jeans, you can pair it with, you know, trouser, you can pair it with whatever you like, and you can also wear your jacket on top of it, you know, to give you that classy, cheeky kind of. This is the next item on the list. This is what it looks like. I really love this top a lot. I think I'll be pairing this with leggings, definitely with leggings, not with jeans or anything. But well, depend on you, depend on, you know, how you style your tops. It has, you know, lovely details to it, which I really quite like. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's, you know, like stretchy right here and, you know, free at the top of it, which I really quite like, which makes it even more attractive in my opinion. So you can pair this with a jeans, you can pair this with leggings, you can pair it with whatever you like. But for me, in my opinion, I'll stick to, you know, pairing this with a legging. I really quite like it because it has, you know, like a very nice details to it, which I really like a lot. And at the back, it brings up your backside, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I really quite like it a lot, and it's actually £10, so it's not on sales or anything. That's the original price of it. So if you like it, yeah, you can just grab it without waiting for the sales. But yeah, I really quite like it, so I really didn't mind it was £10, because I think for the price, for me, it's still a bargain. Because yeah, comes to think of it, the details and the design and the color of it is just you know, like a perfect kind of top for me. Dress it up for outing, you can dress it down for casual, and yeah, I quite like it. So this is the next item on the list. This is what it looks like. It's a dress and it's actually £10. So this is what it looks like. Guys, I really love the fit of this dress. It felt so perfect on me. Item that I actually love from the haul. Quite love this dress a lot, but the only problem is that if this size runs small, because I'm wearing size 18 right now. I'm quite scared that what would have happened if I'd actually went for size 16, which is my normal size in most dresses in with every brand. So yeah, this is size 18 on me. This is what it looks like. I like the fact that it clings really well on me, and at the same time I feel comfortable wearing it. It felt really nice, and at the same time it's so cheeky on me, which I really like. I'm quite a huge fan of this because I don't know, it just feels so perfect and comfortable on me. I also like the cross sign at the end of it. It makes it even more stylish in my opinion. I also like the front of it. It, you know, packs everything. It packs everything really well. I quite like it. Yeah, and everything is, you know, on the list. This is actually £5. It's not on sales or anything, but the regular price is £5. So this is what it looks like on me. It's quite tight. I don't know how to put this, but it clings onto my body really nicely. It just clings on my skin, just like the previous dress that I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, this is what it looks like on me. Oh, I don't think you need this as a free dress because it's the way it's meant to be, like not too tight, but you know, that perfect fit kind of dress then go to, then I'll definitely recommend you get it for £5. It's not that bad at all. But if you're like me that you don't normally wear something that reveals your, you know, big arms and all, then you can definitely pair this with a jacket, and just you can get a lovely white jacket or any jacket of your choice that you think would go well with this, but definitely not black unless you go into like a place that you think on my body, but it doesn't really emphasize on my tummy, which is what I really love a lot about it. And you like it, then you can cut this off. But if you try it and you're not feeling it, then you might, you know, as well return it. But let's see what we can do with this front, because this front is a little bit revealing. Well, if you're the type that don't mind, then that shouldn't be a problem at all. The bit of meat showing up, but bear in mind that this black shapewear would also, the areas where the black shapewear is would be showing. So if you're thinking that you don't want that to happen, then this looks like. So yeah, what do you guys think? Wear a camisole, a black camisole under it, you know, just to keep those area in check. But apart from that, it fits me so perfectly, and is in the size 16, and the length is new length, almost new length. So yeah, original price is £12, so it's not on sale whatsoever. So this is what it looks like on me. It's size 16, and which is my normal size, and it's not too tight, it's not too free. It's just on the, you know, right side of size that I really like a lot. But yeah, if you put your hand like so, you might you might think your hand is missing, you know, because the hands are too long. In my opinion, the hands are too long. The length of the hands are too long, unless you're tall. But I'm not tall, so I'll just keep, you know, pulling it up, you know, every now and then. But apart from that, I really quite like it for the price, which is £12 and not on sale. So yeah, so this is the next item on the list. So this is what it looks like. I am not quite sure about this bit. Maybe when I change my bra. Well yeah, but for now let's just roll with it as it is. So this is what it looks like. It's in size 16, and I quite like the fit. It's quite long, so you definitely be wearing heels with this one. This one, I'm not quite sure. I quite like it, but you know, my, what's it called, is showing at the back. Unless you're wearing a long wig, you know, to cover those areas. Apart from that, I really quite like it. It's very simple. The color is really nice. Occasion or an event, yeah, it's really quite nice, and the material is also very stretchy, so which is really good. So yeah, This is what it looks pounds. If I've not mentioned that, 16 pounds is size 16. Yeah, so this is what an event you can wear it to anywhere or any occasion in your back and everything. Then you might as well just wear a jacket on it, which, well, in my opinion, you don't really need a jacket with this, but depending on the bra you're wearing and all, yeah, then you might get away with wearing it the way it comes. But for now, I don't know. I don't know if it's for keep or send back. The price is £20, but they were doing 20% off, so it's actually the next item on the list. It's actually this tiny top right here. It's really nice, but a bit too short for me, probably because I have bust. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But I think this would be, well, what do you guys think? It's very simple, and I really love the, you know, stripy design that comes with it. So yeah, but why would you guys wear this too? I quite like it, but I would be using this to film a video, like, you know, sitting ovation, where all this areas will not be showing. Like, yeah, would you wear this out? Would you wear this, you know, at home? Would you wear this for sport? Where would you wear this to? I'm just gonna wear it to film, you know, makeup video or hair video, but apart from that, I don't think I'll be wearing this out because it's quite cheap. So I really don't mind. The price is actually £4. It's not on sales or anything. The original price is £4, but I really quite like it for the price. I know it's quite short and all, but you know, for the design and everything, I really don't mind it. But if you're bold enough to wear this out, then why not? So the last but not the least item is this top right here. It also has this tag on it, so in case you're not sure of keeping it or not. But yeah, this is what it looks like on me. So this is what it looks like on me. What do you guys think? It's actually size 16. And it's £5. It's not on sale or anything, but that's just the normal price. It's like £5, so it's not on sale. So this is what it looks like on me. I'm also wearing the tights from earlier, which is £6, so £6 and £5. So the up and down is just £11, which is not quite bad. I really quite like the next design at the hem, and I love that puffy, you know, shoulder design. For £5, that's actually a bargain in my opinion, because there are a lot of top styles than that, no, and cost more than that anyway. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm really sorry if this was not what you were expecting, but this is my first time doing a haul video on my channel, so I'm gonna find out and do research about how to get the perfect setup and everything for, you know, videos like this, and I'll definitely try my best to make things, you know, work more better in my next video for a haul video. So yeah, in my next haul video, so stay tuned to my channel. And yeah, I've got a lot of items to show you from ASOS as well, so you know, yeah, let's just wait and see. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.